Welcome to Stevie's Kitchen. Today I have a crispy, salty, yet healthy snack for you. I'm gonna show you how to make air fried chickpeas. You can season them however you want to, but I'm gonna do a taco seasoning on top of mine, just something a little different. This is a perfect snack for that on the go. You know, with me being a trainer or about to go to the gym or something like this is something I can just pick up and eat real quick. I don't have to reheat it. I can leave it in my book bag or my gym bag. This is the perfect recipe for you. So right here, I have 3 cans of chickpeas that I drained and just put them out on a paper towel and kind of pat it dry. They don't have to be like bone dry because we're gonna add some oil to them anyways, but just a little bit of that moisture taken off of them. So now I have some olive oil here. I'm about to put on about 1.5 tablespoons. Just kind of get it. Then we get a little shake on it so we can get that oil in all over every single chickpea. The beauty about this recipe is once it goes into the air fryer, you just shake it about every 5 minutes and then you're done. Just let it cool and it's ready to go. All right, so now we got it well incorporated. So for my taco seasonings, I have cumin, red chili flakes, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, a little chili powder, and some salt and pepper. And, oh, I forgot my Italian seasoning. So we're gonna do about 1/2 teaspoon to slightly a little bit more of each one. And so I'm not gonna keep repeating myself. But we're gonna put all those on here, do another toss on all this, then we're gonna lay them out onto my baking sheet. My oven fryer's my oven, but if you got a regular oven fryer at the same, works the same way. That came out quick. Work my 2 fists on this one. Get the salt and pepper at the same time. Now I got all my seasons added, back to this little toss. If you want to, you can get a spoon. I'm just trying to save on dishes. So I already got some parchment paper down on my pan. Just gonna go ahead and dump these all out. Spread them out nice and thin. You don't want them stacked on top of each other. So make sure you have a big enough pan to where they can all lay flat. Once you have them all flat, so get your air fryer at 400 degrees. You're gonna pop them in there for about 20 minutes. Every 5 minutes, just go in there and kind of shake the pan, make sure they're not sticking. And after 20 minutes, you'll be ready to go. So now these are out the oven, now these are out the air fryer. Again, my oven doubles as an air fryer, so forgive me for that. However, they're done regardless. So straight off the pan while they're nice and warm. When they cool down, they're gonna get a little crunchier, but they're still pretty crunchy right now. All right, like I said in the intro, they got that salt component, they got that crunch component, but they don't have the guilt. This is what you wanna make. Perfect for any time, keep around the house on the go before your workout. I think your kids will even like them too. You don't want to miss this recipe.